wrist protection. I have mittens, little pockets. I have long socks, goggles. You need this so from the nasty sun, but you can put heat pads if it's really cold. Get this out. If there's a lot of snow and it goes right to your face, they can help you. 2 long socks for me so that snow doesn't go like into my boots and then... Hi guys, tomorrow I'm going snowboarding and it's after school. But if you want to go snowboarding, then you have to do extra homework so that you can go. And you have to be prepared to do it. But mine is cheap, so if it goes right to your face and it gets foggy, it will not work. It keeps me warm when it's really, really cold. A mask so that when it's really cold, then we can cover our face. There's a jacket, and it's magenta, my favorite color, and it keeps me warm. Now it's time to go red snowboard and my boots and my snowboard equipment. And Uncle Zach is here. This is my dad's snowboard. And these are my daddy's boots. They're huge. They can fit my hand. Okay. And I have one hair. And I have one hair.
High five.
Your souls have found their way to places they were meant to stay.
At school, it was good. We had to do a test, but we have it's a 2-day test. We can get a snowboard! And we had to do our math book, worldly walk. What? Yeah! So we're going to pick up Uncle Zach.
Huh? Nee, nog met sånt. Oh. Cheesecake, gewoon met. Oh.
I didn't even put it on my... to put on your stuff on so that you can be prepared. And this is bothering the way.
Are. Coming pretty good?
Yeah. My first ride for the day was good. No falls. Just like little bit falls.
It's like amazing.
Yeah.
Ready for the bluebird?
Yeah.
Yeah, no fall from the left. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good job. Get it.
We're going to Bluebird. It's a really big mountain, and it's 5 times bigger than the Bunny Hill.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Ah.
Hi guys. Wait, I forgot.
It's okay.
No, I don't know what. And wait, and what was I supposed to? What you? Oh.